Hi guys, so this is NanoG95 for detailed review video, simple unboxing video, which player should buy it and is it durable or not. Please stay tuned for the video. Hello guys and welcome to yet another unboxing and specification video, and today I've got this Yonex Nano G95 strings. I got this for 477 rupees from Amazon, and you can actually get this string for a very lower rate on offline store for around 400 rupees, but you have to check if these strings are available in the stores, because these days the products of Yonex, they are on extinct because of this coronavirus. So you need to figure it out. On the online platforms you'll get it for 477 or 500 rupees. On Flipkart you'll get it for a cheaper price for around 450 rupees. Now we'll open the strings and see what we get. So here's your string, Nano G95 medium feeling strings, and you can see it is written durability. So these strings are durable, and the gauge of the strings is, the thickness you can say in easy words, 0.69 millimeter. And talking about BG65, the thickness is 0.70 millimeter. So one thing I can say is these Nano G95, this is the upgraded version of BG65, 100% very better than BG65, but a bit costly, because BG65 will cost you 350 rupees on online platforms, and after gutting it you'll just spend 450 rupees or maybe 500 rupees. 450 will be the maximum depending on the type of gutting you are providing, I mean the price of the gutting which you are getting. But talking about this shuttle, this string, surely you will end up paying 550 or 600 rupees after getting it gut in the racket. So you can see the MRP is written as 615 rupees, and the country of origin is Japan, and the month of manufacturing is September 2019. So it's a bit old string. Okay, now we'll open the strings and see what we get. So here is your beautiful string. It's really delicate. It's a bit thick, as you will expect from a 0.70 mm string. Now the question which arises is which type of player and what type of gutting you should do on this string. First of all, let me clarify, BG65 is just a defensive string and that is very durable, but talking about this Nano G95 series, this is also durable, and this is for the players who like to smash it and who are very fast in the game. This is for them, not only for durability, and that is why the cost is very high. You just get 0.1 millimeter less than BG65. As I told you, BG65 is 0.70 and this 0.69, so there is some difference, and the difference will act on your speed and on your smashes, and durability is also a factor in this. So you can use these strings on the racket with a balanced head, the not a heavy head racket, on a balanced head racket. And if you are a beginner, you can just gut it below 24 lbs. If you are intermediate player, you can gut it from 24 to 26, which is the best prescribed tension from these strings. That will be good. And if you are a pro player and you are getting sponsored, so you can gut it at around 28 lbs. Now I'm telling you one thing, if you gut it at 28 lbs, the problem is when you have a racket, these strings, they stretch in the racket, so your tension, they tend to just lose a bit with games and all. You must know that professional players, they play with the strings for only one game and they just cut it off and get the racket gutted again. So if you are not at all professional player and not getting any sponsorship, I would not recommend you to go beyond 28 lbs, because the string will stretch, the tension of the racket will go down, and your performance will also get impacted by it. So 26 to 28 is the maximum limit. And the balanced edge racket, they will be preferred for the strings, surely. Talking about the durability and the speed, it will give you that. Also talking about the heavier rackets where offensive strings are present, like BG66 leaning number 1, BG80, BG68. You can do one thing is, if you're not timing the shuttle, if the shuttle is not hitting the sweet spot, so in the offensive string, and if you're getting for over 28 lbs gutting, there is a high chance that the string will break. So you can do one thing is, you can also perfect your smash and all the speed game, and you can gut your heavier racket with this Nano G95 series, and you can see the magic. If you're not at all timing the shuttle, this will do the job, because the durability of the strings will do the trick for you, and plus the speed, it will not offer that maximum speed and strength to your shuttle when talking about the offensive strings, but it will surely do the job. Because when you're not in form, when you're not timing the shuttle, you are not middling the shuttle, then you will tend to break the shuttle. So these type of strings will be best for a player who's not timing the shuttle and their racket is heavy hit and they are not willing to go for any offensive string. They can go for it, but these are best suited for balanced head racket. So hope you liked what I told you about the specifications, and I will gut this string in maybe my Apex racket or maybe in a flex racket, and then we'll see how it goes. Hello guys, so I'm back with the review video of this Nano G95 strings. So I'm really sorry that I could not show you the process of getting this racket because there was some problem with the shopkeeper, but I finally played with this racket for around 4 to 5 months, and guys, trust me, this is very underestimated strings from the house of Yonex. I'm seeing people buying either um, BG66 or BG65, and those are so basic strings. Trust me guys that it won't do any justice to your game if you are a very professional player or an intermediate player as well, or also a beginner. It doesn't matter. uh, Nano G95 is a underestimated string, but trust me, this strings works wonder. So first of all, let's talk about the basic thing. So the gauge of this string is 0.69 millimeters. Gauge means the thickness of the strings. So basically, more thin your string is, more you will get the repulsion power and the power and the control. Repulsion power is the force which acts on your shuttle and it pushes it opposite with a force. That is the repulsion power. So with great repulsion power, you'll get great control of your shot. But when you talk about these type of BG65 strings, they are very thick, as you can see, and now you can see this. You will feel the difference, which is the thinner and which is the thicker. So this is a durable type of string. This is very durable. uh, if your technique is good and if you're not hitting your shuttle at this corner very often, trust me, this will last forever, but your performance will be impacted because it won't generate any power, the repulsion will not be good, and plus the pinpoint precision shots will not be there with this racket. But as I said, pinpoint precision control and all, this will be far better than those BG65 leaning number 7 or any defensive string. uh, Let me tell you guys, the thickness of the strings in our badminton world, that is from 0.65 millimeters to 0.70 millimeters. There are some strings which also come beyond 0.70, but those are not standard strings, and there are also which comes below 0.65, but again they are not the standard strings. So basically, when we talk about strings, more the thicker the strings are, that means they are more durable. But the more the thinner the strings are, performance will be great, but there is no you can say guarantee of the durability. It can last for one game or it can even last for 1 month. It all depends on your game. So when I played with this racket, trust me guys, it was so easy to clear the shots and to hit at the back line or the second line of the court. It was not really a tough job. So you don't need much muscle power to just push the shuttle to the back line or the second line. It's very easy. And these strings are surely made for smashing. One thing more, many people believe that the more the string tension is, you'll get more power. That's not the case. That's all about your strings. If your strings are uh, the gauge is around 0.65 to 0.68, those strings are good for smashing, so surely they will do the job for you. And it does not matter of for the tension of the strings, you need to hit the center. It all depends on your string, and plus the racket. If your racket is a heavy head racket, surely you are just killing it. If not, if your racket is a light head racket and you are going for a very offensive string, still it will do the job. But if your racket is lightweight light head racket and you are using defensive strings, you are not getting any power. If your racket is light head and you are using these offensive string, then maybe your game will be balanced. Like players like Parupali Kashyap, they use headlight racket, but they are using strings like BG60, BG80 and all. And there are many players who are using uh, heavy head racket, but they are using defensive string like B Sai Praneeth of India as well. So as I told you, to clear the shots to the back court back line, it's really easy. And when we talk about the smashing and all, the smashes are much powerful than comparison with BG65, BG65 Ultimax, or any version of BG65, and you can say leaning number 7 and all those defensive strings. Remember, Nano G95 is also a defensive string, but this enhances your performance. It You can say that it these strings will give you a balanced play. You can also power up your game, and you can also play defensively cheekily. So these strings are a sort of all-round string. You can play all around with this string, so this is very good for you. When we talk about pinpoint drop shots, you can't expect pinpoint drop shots, but it will be much better than the BG65. And as I told you, the gauge is 0.69, so it's much better than BG65 or Ultimax or leaning number 7 or any defensive strings. So you will get much more better control. So you can expect that you can have some great drop shots with the power shots. That means you smash and all. And plus these strings will also last forever. So as I told you, the cost of the string is around 450, and you can also get it for 400 rupees in the offline stores. Plus here in Lucknow, I am gutting these strings for a price of 100 rupees. If I'm giving this to the shopkeeper, the gutting man, the who has the gutting machine, he can gut it for 100 rupees. He'll take a few of 100 rupees and gut it. So I got this string for 450 rupees, and for gutting this racket, the total cost was 550 rupees. It will all depend on your availability and on the shopkeeper you are going to, that what it will cost you. But don't give beyond 600 rupees. So uh, if you're looking for durability, if you're looking for some control, some pinpoint precision, some speedy game, then go for Nano G95. But if you're looking for durability and performance does not matter to you, then you can go for leaning number 7 and BG65, which I have already reviewed. And if you want far better all-round game, so you can go for BG80. That string will cost you around 650 to 750 rupees. That's a bit costly. Indian player Ranki Reddy, Satvik Sairaj Ranki Reddy plays with that string. But if you want, you can say a very powerful game, then you can go for BG66 or BG68 or Adidas Ubershall 66, that I've also reviewed. I have a racket with that string, so that is also a great string. And any other string which with a gauge of 0.65 to 0.67 or 0.68, you can go for that. But I would recommend you that you should play with this string once and see how it suits your style. There are many players who like to play all round games, so if that type of game is yours, then this string is surely for you. This will last forever. I mean, nothing is meant to last forever, but This will last for a long time if your technique is good, if you are hitting it from the sweet spot. If it is not hitting at the side, trust me, this will last. So I hope you liked my video, and you can also uh, get me some query in the comment section below. I'll surely try to answer everyone. Whatever I will know, I will surely answer you. So stay tuned for more video, and please get vaccinated, please keep wearing your mask. I'm really sorry guys, I forgot to mention one thing which I like to share. So this is a Saber Blade Flex racket, and this is a 1400 rupees racket. I've also reviewed this racket, you can check it out. I'll give you a link in the description and in the I button as well. It will pop in the video, so you can check it out. One thing is, this is a very basic racket. This does not have any quality. You can also go for it if you're a beginner or intermediate player, but if you're having a very great racket and you are gutting it with Nano G95, your performance will boost. So the better the racket is, the more the performance will be with these Nano G95. So rackets also plays a big role. So that's all, thank you.